My name is Nahriban. I'm from Turkmenistan, and my project name is Reusing Licorice Root Weights for Ecological and Industrially Beneficial Purpose to produce environmentally safe and cheap paper sheets by reusing licorice root weights. To obtain particle board by mixing licorice root weights, wood, glue, and putting the mixture under press. To show that roots of licorice can be used as soil fertilizers. To prevent deforestation by presenting an alternative method of producing paper whereby the cutting down of forests will be reduced. To counteract global warming by preventing the burning of licorice root weights and thus averting the release of greenhouse gas carbon dioxide. To prevent air pollution by reusing licorice root weights instead of burning them. To present a natural and ecologically safe fertilizer which could replace artificial fertilizer, thus reducing the cost of fertilizer production and avoiding the harm of laboratory conditions experiments. To use licorice root weights for desalination of our salty soil, thereby replacing a traditional method of using water and preserving water resources. Let's begin our first experiment. Needed materials: sodium hydroxide and the root weights. Leftover samples of licorice root weights were heated with sodium hydroxide solution in laboratory conditions. When the temperature reached 100 degrees, sample was left open for 10 more minutes. This experiment was conducted for obtaining paper sheets from licorice roots. Result of first experiment. Let's begin our second experiment. For this experiment, 650 grams of licorice roots were used. Firstly, they were sliced and mixed with 400 grams of wood glue. Then we put the mixture under press and heated it for 1.5 hours. After the stage was over, we left the heated particle board to cool under the press for 4-5 hours. We also checked the hardness of produced particle board by using models of rupture. Results of second experiment. Let's begin our third experiment. We took 2 samples of decorative flowers. They were planted into different pots, one of which contained licorice root weights in its soil. The other one was simply taken from schoolyard and no additives were used. After 10 days, we have observed that the plant set in the pot with licorice roots grew far more quickly than the plant set in ordinary soil. Results of third experiment: pot with licorice roots, pot with ordinary soil.